The battle space is changing. Wars are no longer fought solely on land, sea, and air. A new domain has emerged: the unmanned realm. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are now critical players in modern warfare. These remotely piloted aircraft, often called drones, have revolutionized the way conflicts are fought. They provide a unique combination of surveillance, intelligence gathering, and strike capabilities. Drones offer a constant eye in the sky. They can monitor vast areas for extended periods. This persistent surveillance capability is crucial for tracking enemy movements and assessing battlefield damage. Two prominent examples of these game-changing aircraft are the American MQ-1 Predator and the Indian indigenous Tapas. These drones highlight the growing importance of UAVs in shaping the future of conflict. The MQ-1 Predator drone has a storied history. Its origins trace back to the First Gulf War. The US military sought new ways to conduct reconnaissance. Despite skepticism, the Predator program persisted. Early successes in the Balkans proved its worth. Its value became clearer after 9/11. It evolved from surveillance to a hunter-killer armed with Hellfire missiles. The Predator became a symbol of the changing face of warfare. India has emerged as a major player in the global drone market. The country has been investing heavily in developing its own unmanned aerial vehicles. This push for self-reliance in defense technology is driven by India's complex security challenges. The indigenous Tapas UAV, formerly known as Rustam II, represents the pinnacle of India's drone program. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV is designed for a variety of roles, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic intelligence gathering. The Tapas program was initiated in the early 2000s. It was envisioned as a successor to the Israeli Heron UAVs operated by the Indian Armed Forces. The goal was to develop a domestically produced drone with enhanced capabilities. The Tapas is equipped with advanced sensors and payloads. It is now on the verge of entering service with the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. Tale of the tape: Predator versus Tapas. Both the MQ-1 Predator and the indigenous Tapas UAV are testaments to the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern warfare. These drones, while sharing a common purpose, have distinct characteristics and capabilities. MQ-1 Predator. Wingspan 55 feet. Length 27 feet. Payload capacity 450 pounds. Maximum speed 135 miles per hour. Endurance up to 40 hours. Armament 2 AGM 114 Hellfire missiles. Comparing capabilities: size, payload, endurance, and more. The MQ-1 Predator and the indigenous Tapas UAV showcase different approaches to unmanned warfare. The Predator, with its smaller size and lower payload capacity, is designed for tactical operations. These include surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted strikes. The Tapas, on the other hand, is a more ambitious platform. It boasts a larger size, greater payload capacity, and longer endurance. This makes it suitable for a wider range of missions, including maritime patrol and battlefield management. Both drones are equipped with sophisticated sensors. These sensors provide operators with a comprehensive understanding of the battle space. The Predator's primary advantage lies in its maturity and combat experience. Hunting terrorists and patrolling borders. The MQ-1 Predator is synonymous with the global war on terror. Deployed in Afghanistan, Iraq, and other conflict zones, used to track and eliminate high-value targets and gather intelligence. Its loitering ability makes it ideal for persistent surveillance, instrumental in disrupting terrorist networks. The Tapas UAV enhances India's national security, suited for maritime patrol missions and tracking ship movements, deployed along India's borders with Pakistan and China. Future of the skies. Predators, Tapas, and beyond. The MQ-1 Predator and the indigenous Tapas UAV represent the tip of the spear in unmanned warfare. While the Predator has left its mark, the Tapas is poised to do the same. The Predator continues to be upgraded and enhanced. Tapas has the potential to become a game changer for India's armed forces.